have to start a YouTube channel by the end of 2024, yes, everybody knows it's because you need to earn money. There is someone who is thinking or has not yet thought of starting a YouTube channel, but I advise you, reach near. You have to start a YouTube channel 2024 because of the reasons that I'm going to give you. Some of you know that it's about money. Yes, because if you start YouTube channel, you'll get money. But is it money alone? No, it's not money alone. This is also somebody out there who has a YouTube channel but is almost giving up because he's not seeing enough money as had anticipated or had been told. But when you start a YouTube channel, you are going to be financially free. You're going to be to have generational income. You're going to have passive income. This is all that most of us we heard about. This is all what people tell us about starting a YouTube channel. Yes, it's true. If you're watching me and you're almost giving up with a YouTube channel, or you've never thought of having a YouTube channel, I would love you to reach me and we see the reasons why you have to have a YouTube channel before the end of 2024. Or as you watch me right now, you go direct to your phone and start setting up a YouTube channel for you. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Immaculate Show channel. Today we are going to dive into starting a YouTube channel before the end of 2024. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says poverty is a bastard. And if you know how to make money, if you know how the success is equivalent to being unsuccessful. So all those two things, they go hand in hand. If you choose to take one, the other one will go. If you choose to take both of them, it will be impossible. And the success or the unsuccessfulness is within you or around you. So you choose to be successful. You cannot hold a phone, you cannot have data or Wi-Fi in your reach, and you find you're going to beg for groceries. So today we are going to be looking at why you should start a YouTube channel before the end of 2024. It's amazing that before we dive in, I would love to say thank you to every person that has been on Immaculate Show. Today's video is very wonderful and is very, very highly recommendable that no one should miss it. If you know you're there, this is another bang for another video. It's very beautiful and you're going to like it, and you're going to start financial freedom right away as you watch it. Starting a YouTube channel today or tomorrow before the end of this video, we are going to look at it and we're going to know the reason why I encourage you to start a YouTube channel today. Today we are diving into why we should start a YouTube channel before the end of 2024. Could be the decision you'll ever have done in your life. If you be thinking about it or you've never thought about it, if you've also been one of the YouTubers but you want to give up right now, please, I want you to sign in right now and get started. YouTube is still one of the powerful platforms for creating content. It's building an audience and making money online. Let's talk about why now is the perfect time for you. Let's talk about why I'm encouraging you that you should jump in and start today. Before the end of 2024, I want to see you being monetized. First of all, YouTube algorithm is the first thing that you should force you right now to start a YouTube channel. The YouTube algorithm is favoring new channels more than ever. There is a way how do you know that YouTube algorithm is favoring new content creators or new channels? The moment you open like this your YouTube screen, on your interface, on your homepage, the 99% of the channels that are or videos are being recommended to you, they are majorly on renew. The platform wants at least fresh content and new content creators. Really, it is we are not saying that now YouTube, the platform, doesn't want old content creators. No, but it is trying to encourage the new content creators by growing them, by pushing their their content. Because I can see the moment I open like this, the new people are the one that are being really, they are being recommended to me. So others, to maintain your audience and to maintain your people, to maintain people to watch more, is all left for you. The platform wants fresh content, and new creators have an incredible opportunity to get noticed quickly. Whether you're passionate about vlogging, you're passionate about tech reviews, you're passionate about cooking, or any niche, is it finance, is it education, is what is it really, is it in affiliate marketing? The market is far circulated. In fact, the niche channels are booming, and there's room for everybody. There are some people have been thinking that now social media, in particular YouTube, is just for fun, is for passing around. No, it's not for passing around. That is the first point, you people, that you need to jump on before 2024 and have a YouTube channel, because the moment you start today, I'm sure you're going to enjoy your YouTube. Your channel is going to be recommended so easily. The second point is about money. As we began, you people, we used to hear that monetization. We all need monetization. But now, how do we do monetization? Another reason for you to start before the end of this 2024 is about YouTube monetization. Do you know YouTube monetization now can be accessible more easily than before? 3 years back when I started when YouTube monetization was around those long videos, 4,000 watch hours, and 1,000 subscribers. But now with shorts exploding its popularity, you can hit the watch time and subscriber threshold faster. You know, most people are using now shorts to get subscribers, not watch time. But the moment you come to know that you are targeting also watch time, it is very easy. Most people have resorted into watching these short content, short videos, because they are faster. So when you focus on it, you're going to get your monetization so faster, and the threshold of subscribers, it is going to be incredible than never before. Plus, ad revenue isn't the only way to make money, you people. It's not about ad revenue, but most of us, we love to be paid from ad revenue, but it is not the only way. There are very many ways of making money. If you see that, like in our previous video, we're telling you how to earn 1,000 something dollars from YouTube or from Facebook by using different ways. So with this, you can easily get money from affiliate marketing, from sponsored content, and even merchandise. So you guys, I encourage you that before the end of 2024, jump on and start making money, or start making content. Open up your YouTube channel. Another reason for you to start YouTube today or before the end of 2024, it's you people. Let's be real. Social media income is no longer just for a side hustle. Yes, we can use it side hustle because we are still growing. We on somewhere we are waiting to grow up. We are waiting to get the $10,000 a month like other people. But if it's a full grown up career by the for most of us now. Starting now sets you up for long-term success by building your brand in 2024. Build your brand 2024, even the months that are remaining. I don't mind whether you have already been frustrated, but sit down and look into your future, proving really if you look into the future of your YouTube channel, you'll see that it will prove you wrong that you can make it work. So your future proofing your income is right now. So what you do, jump on it and see how you can build your brand in 2024, such that in 2025 we can run, not even walk. Imagine earning 10,000 a month from videos you created years ago. That's the power of passive income on YouTube. You people, even today, this morning, as I record this video, I woke up 2 days back. I didn't post anything, but I found my estimated income is increased by dollars. I'm like, oh my God, what is it? I remember this is passive income, and I'm like, I'm going to come and talk to you people. You people, there is no money that is little. Okay, let's talk about if you're given freely every day $5, would you refuse it? No. But who can give you freely $5 per day? No one. But now you have a platform that whenever you're sleeping, the videos you did 3 years back, you will find money is increasing. It's not that money will be decreasing. No, money will be increasing. What you need to know is to know the right key of making your videos run green. Let your videos be accessible. Let your videos be always there for you, and you start enjoying the money. And when we talk about this money, you guys, let me tell you the truth. Financial freedom is one of the best things that we came on YouTube. And we were told that there is financial freedom. Yes, but they didn't tell us exactly how financial freedom is there. The only thing I've realized that with YouTube, it will change your life when you focus on it. I'm a living testimony. You know, if you don't know people who have made it, if you don't know people around, you don't have examples in your country. Okay, as you're watching me, I'm telling you, whether I'm getting $100, $200, $300, it is a testimony, because I'm always hopeful that on every 21st of the month, I'm getting money. Leaving aside that I'm a full time worker being employed somewhere, but suppose I was concentrating on it full time, don't you think I would make also in thousands and thousands like other people were making it? So please consider having a side income, consider having another stream of income, not even a side income, a stream of is another stream of income. So being on YouTube, you will find you have more than one one income. Like if you're being employed like me, and at the same time you're on YouTube, you'll find you have more money. And me, also on Facebook, so that is another stream of income. Let's now go on another point, and this point is very essential. I've seen people, it has worked for many people. I know it can work for you also. There's a reason you should be on YouTube seriously before the end of 2024. One, it is because of community and influence. Have you ever walked somewhere and someone recognizes, I watch you on TV, oh my god, that is so beautiful? Have you ever been there and you find what you do, people are recognizing what you're doing? There in China, you're in Uganda, but they know what you're doing. People are in America, they know what you're doing. Have you noticed that one video can change your life? By turning everything, when it goes viral, there's someone that you're going to touch somewhere, and you change your life somewhere and also there. So let's not forget the community and influence you build. Having a YouTube channel allows you to connect with people who share your passion. You are not just creating videos, you are building a community. And with influence comes the moment it comes, opportunities for collaboration, sponsorship, and even launching your own products, they come in. So you people, you have, this is why I'm telling you, before the end of 2024, as you're watching me, you should think about making a YouTube channel. So, guys, if you are there and you're really on the fence about starting a YouTube channel, there is no better time than now. 2024 is the best year, not thinking any other day. Don't be like other people who saw me starting in 3 years back. Instead of supporting and instead of asking me how you do it, for them they were mocking. For them they were others. Should I call it jealousy? That is in a hardware. But I can see them starting right now, and they are driving and they're trying to do it work. Now suppose they have started it another year. Now the same you also who is listening to me, and you're going to you're going to be like, okay, let me see how it works. Do they get money? Don't think like that. With Facebook, YouTube, social media is an open market. You're not being paid by an individual, you're paid by a system. What you need to know, you need to know exactly the right place or the right time, what to do, and you'll get money. So if we are telling you like this, they should know, they shouldn't be any competition on social media. They should be on a collaboration. So you guys, I'm welcoming everybody that 2024 should find you. 2025 should find you when you have already grown. So if you have been in this really on this chat for this 14 minutes with me on your screen, please, I want to say thank you very much and thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money online and building your digital brand. See you in another video. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to let us know that you've just started your YouTube channel. If you're a person who wanted to give up, instead write in a comment section how we can help you, how we can push you,